Are you trying to become a millionaire and you want to basically not work your 9 to 5 job and you don't want to work until you're 60? Well, my name is Cameron Alvarado. This is my investment channel that I decided to make, and I want to share the journey of how I plan on basically retiring before I'm 35, 40. So I only want to work for at least like 10 years or so, and then basically do what I want and work the jobs that I want. And just to give you a little backstory, my name is Cameron Alvarado, of course. I'm 25 years old. I've been investing since I've been 18. I've done so much research on investing, and I plan to just share it to everybody that doesn't have really a good understanding about it. Take it from somebody that just took it from learning off of Google. And you might be asking, why should you be listening to me? Well, I mean, I have some pretty decent numbers inside the market. This is one of them. And this is the growth from that account that I've had since I've been 18. So I'm 25 now. It's only been 8 years or so, probably 5 years consistently that I've been investing into this. So this is the growth rate of it. These are just just one account. And then this, I have my other account. This mainly holds crypto, as you can see. But I also have my other account, which is my retirement. And I'm just going to basically share whatever I have for the next however long I want to make these videos to you guys, the public that really don't know anything because they don't teach it in schools, and I really think they should. So let's dive straight into this. This right here is the 50-30-20 rule. What that means, it might not mean anything to you, but you can see right here that 50% is your needs, 20% is your savings and debt, and then wants is 30%. What I definitely tell you is this 30%, drop it to as low as possible. If you can live on just basically, you don't have to go out there and eat out, do all that. If you can drop this down to 10%, that's great. Great. Because if you could drop that to 20%, you can definitely take that 20% that you're saving here and put that in the investing. Then take another 10% of this and put that in there. That's 30%. So this is just a brief overview of how this channel is going to go. I'm not going to go super in depth into this rule. That will be later into the channel, but this is just to give an overall gist of who I am and how do I know all this. But let's go ahead and start with this account here. This is my Vanguard account. I have been investing in this for quite some time, and I'm just going to throw out some numbers to you guys right here that if I were to make $1,500 bi-weekly, I would be timesing by that by 0.2. So I would be investing $300 into this account or throughout all my accounts. So if I pull up Paint right here, just so you guys can get a visual. So here is your 300 deposit, right? This is your $300. And then say you have like 2 accounts, right? 2 nest eggs. This is also further in the video that are further channels. I will talk about nest eggs and where you should put them. But for me, for this instance, this example, I'm going to do this. So right here, you have 150 going here and you have 150 going here, right? Every check this is happening, and these will basically, what I tend to do is this one right here is like a high risk. This right here is very rewarding, but takes longer. So this is why I have a big crypto account, aka Robinhood, and then I have a very safe account, which is aka my Vanguard account. So this is like the gist of what I do. So let's go back to now Vanguard. I know this video is very all over the place. It would be dialed in more in, but I'm just trying to get like a introduction to you guys. So this right here is my rate of returns that I've been getting off of Vanguard with my VT Sachs. So this is the stock that I invest in. Do I have a picture of that one for you guys? I don't think I do. Right here. Oh yeah, right here. So this is VT Sachs. So if you don't know what VT Sachs is, it's the Vanguard Total Stock Market. So basically it's SP 500, safest index fund you can do if you have Vanguard, in my opinion. Again, grain of salt, take it how you choose. But I have been I set up my fiance, I set up my little brother, and then of course me, and it's been really good returns. As you can see, the market was down today, so it looks like poop. But right here, 13.3% return. This is the rate of return that I have. It's a pretty good freaking rate of return that I have right here. And just to give you like a brief thing, so what do I have? I have 14,000 in here. So if you times that by 0.13, this is how much I'm making back every year. This is every year. So if I add in the other thing that I have, so if I'm putting in 300 every bi-weekly, and you times that by 2, times that by, well, times by 12, and then now I add in that 1,800 or whatever it was, that's $9,000 that I'm putting into this account every single year. And if you times that by 5 years, 45 grand is what you're going to have in this account. That's just if you go with the VT Sacks. But again, do your own thing. Don't have all of your nest eggs or your eggs in one nest. I will explain that in another video. But definitely, this is something that's crazy and I've been following for a long, long time. And then I'll definitely go over my Robinhood real quick. So this right here is my Robinhood account. Basically, this is where my crypto account. This is my other thing that I put. Basically, it's high risk but high reward. Like I said, I've been putting in, right now I upped it to where I put 15 or 50 into Ethereum and then 75 into Bitcoin. That's every 2 weeks. So I'm probably going to up it and then up my Vanguard account because I have a new job, but we'll see how it plays out. So that's like the gist of things that I have for the retirement account. I'm not going to talk about, but that's like mainly how everything really goes. I'm trying to find the graph one. Here it is. That's mainly how it really goes, but definitely time in the market beats time in the market. So that is definitely something that you need to understand and absorb, is timing the market. You can't time it. It's time in the market beats time in the market. Always has, always will. So that is my whole breakdown introduction to you guys of how this channel is going to go. Of course, future videos are going to be more dialed in. This one is kind of like all over the place. So sorry if I rambled a lot, but this is my account to show my journey, how I'm going to become a millionaire and how I'm going to become, or how I'm going to retire before I'm 35 or 40. That's always been my goal, and I want it to be my goal. I'm going to continue to push it to be my goal so I can work on the projects I want to work on when I get to that age. I do not want to work until I'm 60. I do not want to work until I'm 40. I want to be relaxing in my 40s and enjoying my life. So if you want to stick around, you want to follow everything, you want to absorb all the info I have crazy amount. I know I'm rambling, like I said, but I have crazy amount of info for you guys. So if you want, hit that like button, comment on this video, and subscribe so you can follow these videos. These will be coming out pretty frequently. I'll probably just chat for a little, like 4 to 5 minutes on some randomness, but I'll probably choose something, chat about it. And yeah, I hope you guys follow it. Let's grow together. Let's be millionaires together. So like I say in my other videos, if you can believe it, you can achieve it. I'll see you guys in the next one.